Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable character count on iPhone iMessage. So if while typing on your iMessage, you want your iPhone to show the number of characters you've typed, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily enable or turn on character count on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do to enable or turn on character counts is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, just keep scrolling, click on messages. On our setting, scroll down and click on apps, then come here and search for messages. Now once you search for messages, go ahead and click on it. On the messages page, scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to character count. Now to show character count on your iPhone messages, just turn on this feature. And then when next you type on your iPhone will notify you the total number of characters you've typed. So that is basically how to turn on or enable character count on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.